Okay, this is just a quick video explaining why, even though your image is displaying on your screen at 24, 28, 36, 48 inches, Zazzle's only going to print it at 12, 10, maybe even 7 inches. The problem with that is because your image wasn't taken in inches. Your image is taken in pixels. If you look in your camera and you want to change the size of the image, you just change the size of the pixel setting, not the size of the inches setting. You obviously want to always take the picture with the pixel setting as high as it can be because that's going to give you the best image. The problem with the display image size is that your computer generally displays them at 72 pixels per inch, also known as dots per inch or DPI. When printed, however, it's printed at 150 dots per inch or pixels per inch. So the difference is your computer monitor is displaying only 72 little dots in every inch. When Zazzle prints it, they're printing 150 little dots in every inch. So as you can see, your image on the computer appears to be this big, when in reality, when printed, it's only going to be this big. The way to determine how big it actually is going to be is by going to image size, and in here you'll see that your image is actually 2048 pixels when it was taken. So we're going to go ahead and copy that number, and then we're going to come down here to the resolution, and you can see it's displaying at 72, but we want it to tell us what it's going to be when we up it to 150, which is what Zazzle is going to do. Now we need to go back up here and paste that 2048 back in, because we know that's how many pixels there actually were when the photo was taken. Now, when it's displaying at 150 DPI, which is where Zazzle wants to see it at, you can see that that number of pixels is only going to be about 13.5 by 10.25 inches. So you will not be able to print this image on a huge canvas because it simply doesn't have enough pixels to do so.